So in this video, we are going to discuss what happens to the market equilibrium when there is a change in supply when demand is constant. So second scenario would be change in supply when demand is constant. So here it's also there are two possible scenarios. First can be decrease in supply and also increase in supply. So let's draw the supply and demand curves. Price, quantity 0. This will be S1, D, and this is the equilibrium E1. This is P1, and this would be Q1. So when the supply is actually decreasing, it's going to shift to the left. So this would be the new supply curve, S2. As you can see, it's moving to the left. So less products are actually supplied to the market. And you can see the new equilibrium is going to the left also in E2. And the price point P2 is actually higher from P1 to P2. And there are less goods are actually supplied to the market because there is a decrease in supply. So it's going to be from Q1 to Q2. So what happens when there is an increase in supply? The opposite would be true. Let's draw and illustrate. This would be price, this would be quantity 0. S1 is going to be D. This is the equilibrium point. Q1 is P1. So when the supply is going to increase, it's going to move to the right. There are more goods actually supplied now. S2, as you can see here, when it's moved, more goods are supplied, that is Q2. This is the new equilibrium E2, and the price is actually reduced from P1 to P2. So this is how we can illustrate for the two scenarios. When there is a change in supply, what happens to the market equilibrium? If there's a decrease in supply, the market equilibrium is going to go higher. So, and the price would be higher for P2. And when there's an increase in supply, the price is going to drop from P1 to P2.